Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and activate notifications, and you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and let's get some likes up on this. Right, so this is another one in the energy sector. This is DVN, Devon Oil Corporation. This is another oil and gas company engaging in the exploration, development, production of oil and natural gas properties. Geographical segments it covers is the US, Canada, and it's based, HQ is based in Oklahoma City. So what about the stock? Right, so at the moment it's sitting at about 16. You can see that since the beginning of November it's been a constant rise, a little slight pullback, up, slight pullback, up. It's pulled back, it's now trying to get back up to where it was. Now it was up at a high of 16. It's been up there before, back in June. If you look at what happened, it went up and it pulled back, came all the way back down to 10. Went back up to 13, came all the way back down to 8. So where's this one going to go? It started life at 7. It's come all the way up to 16. It's now at a crucial point over the last couple of days. It's trending up, it's ever so slightly, but is it going to break out or is it going to turn south again? This is the question. So this is another one to add to your watch list, and based on your level of risk that you're willing to take, this is one to watch. Last couple of days it has peaked at the open and immediately pulled back. On Monday it started life at 16, pulled back to 15.4, 16.7 to 15.4. On Tuesday 15.8, pulled back to 15.24. On Wednesday 15.9, pulled back to 15.8. On Thursday 16.1, pulled back during the day to 15.7, but ended the day up at 16.255. So quite a volatile stock, but if this is one that you want to consider, one that I'm watching at the open, I'm looking at whether or not this is a long for a roll up to 20, thereabouts, a couple of dollars on upside, or whether this is going to retrace itself back down to 12, back down to 10. What is it going to go back down to 8? I mean, it looks like it found a new resistance down at 15.2 on Tuesday. The highest it's found since Monday is 16.15, except yesterday where it was at 16.255. So we may see a trend up rather than a trend down, but I do think this is one to watch. Just on the some of the stats, this company's got just over $4.5 billion debt. It's got a float of just over 370 million shares. It's got a short float at the moment of just over 4.3%. Market capitalization just over $6 billion. Revenue just over $4 billion, and cash in the bank just under $2 billion. So the fundamentals in a good place. Obviously revenue and earnings pegged with the COVID situation, and lack of cars on the road, lack of demand on the oil and gas, for gas and heating and so forth, but with more people at home, but yeah, just full normal demand not there. So I think this is one to look at. As I say, it may turn down, may turn up. Take a look at the open, decide what you want to do. There's a sequence here over the course of the week. If you look back over last week's charts, and there's a pattern if you look back over the daily chart, going back as far as early March. You can see it climbs up, pulls back, climbs up, pulls back, all over the course of a few days. But there's a routine here. Question whether it's going to break out without full demand there. I think that question is pretty straightforward to answer. But up to you guys to answer yourself and decide whether or not you want to go for this. Should you see what you want to see at the open? Anyway, I encourage you to make sure you've got your limit set. You don't want to see what happened to me yesterday. You look at the live video, but between 5 hours and 6 hours, quite a trading challenge there. But you'll make sure your limits are set, and minimise any losses, maximise any gains. That's got to be the approach. Right, thanks for watching. This is the final one for today. I'll be doing some more analysis over the coming days, and there will be some more recommendations out. This is now focused on trading for today. If I come up with anything else when I look at that today's analysis, I will get something out there to you guys that have shown interest. And subscribing to the channel. For those that haven't, please do subscribe to the channel, activate notifications, because these come out whenever I come across something that is there to share, and you don't want to miss out on it, because there's great opportunities to be had, and they could happen at any time. Subscribe, activate notifications. If you like this video, hit the like button. Look forward to speaking to you next and sharing my next recommendation, but for now, that's it. Bye for now. Bye bye.